Honorable teachers and all my dear friends, first of all, a great morning to all of you.
Great morning, Shrisha.
My name is Shrisha. I study 9th competence. I study in Sunrise Public School, and today I am here for mastering the concept on the topic plant tissue. What is my topic name?
Plant tissue.
A group of cells together form a tissue. A group of cells together form a
Tissue.
In the tissue definition, a word comes cell. Students, do you know what is cell?
No.
Cell is a fundamental unit of life. Cell is a fundamental unit of
Life.
Cells are divided into two parts, unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular and
Multicellular.
unicellular organisms are made up of only one type of cells. They are made up of only
One type of cell.
wherever multicellular organisms are made up of many types of cells. They are made up of many types of
Cell.
Example is human being and animals. Each tissue has a specific function. Each tissue has a specific
Function.
to perform, but at the same time different types of tissue of a plant function in coordination with one another. In coordination with
One another.
tissues are divided into two parts, meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue and
Permanent tissue.
meristematic tissue cells have the ability to divide. They have the ability to
Divide.
wherever the cells of permanent tissue do not have the ability to divide. They do not have the ability to
Divide.
Suksham. Tell me the definition of meristematic tissue.
Meristematic tissue are the tissue that have ability to divide.
Right answer, please clap for Kamal.
Sorry.
Meristematic tissues are divided of three types. They are of
Three types.
apical meristematic, lateral meristematic and intercalary meristematic. Apical meristematic is responsible for the length. Is responsible for the
Length.
wherever lateral meristematic tissue is responsible for the width. It is responsible for the
Width.
Bhumika, tell me the definition of intercalary meristematic tissue.
It is a type of meristematic tissue which have the nodes above it and nodules below it.
Right answer, please clap for Bhumika. Now permanent tissues are also divided into two parts, simple tissue and complex tissue. Simple tissue and
Complex tissue.
simple tissues are made up of only one type of cell. They are made up of
One type of cell.
They are composed up of many types of cells. Complex tissues are composed of many types of
Cell.
Simple tissues are of three types, parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Parenchyma, collenchyma and
Parenchyma.
parenchyma is living. Parenchyma is
Living.
wherever collenchyma can be living and dead. Can be living and
Dead.
and sclerenchyma is dead. And sclerenchyma is
Dead.
complex tissues are also divided into two parts, xylem and phloem. Xylem and xylem is responsible for the transportation of water and minerals. Xylem is responsible for the transportation of
Water and minerals.
wherever phloem is responsible for the transportation of food. For the transportation of
Food.
Jannah, tell me the definition of phloem.
Phloem it helps in the conduction of food substances.
Right answer, please clap for Jannat. Parts of xylem tissue, they are tracheids, xylem fiber, vessels and xylem parenchyma. Tracheids. Bhumika, tell me the parts of xylem tissue.
There are four types of xylem tissue: tracheids, xylem fiber, xylem vessel and xylem parenchyma.
Right answer, please clap for Bhumika. Parts of phloem tissue, sieve tube, companion cell, phloem fiber and phloem parenchyma. Rashi, tell me the parts of phloem.
There are four types of phloem: sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem fiber and phloem parenchyma.
Right answer, please clap for Rashi. I hope you all understood about my topic. Now may I ask some questions from you?
Yes, ma'am.
Tamanna, please tell me the definition of tissue.
Each tissue has a specific function to perform and different types of tissue work in it.
Right answer, please clap for Tamanna. Ishika, tell me the definition of xylem.
Xylem is a tissue which transport water and minerals.
Right answer, please clap for Ishika. Thank you, have a nice day.